Intro 00030. Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Ford Mustang in a vibrant yellow that commands attention the moment it hits the showroom. From its aggressive stance to the ultra-modern interior, this is not just a car, it's an experience. Stay with us as we explore every detail, every line, and every feature that makes this Mustang a masterpiece of engineering and design. Exterior Design 3130. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Mustang is bold, aggressive, and unmistakably American muscle. From the sharp LED headlights to the sculpted hood and sleek curves, every element is designed to make a statement. Notice the polished alloy wheels, the wide stance, and the aerodynamic body lines, all perfectly complemented by the vibrant yellow metallic paint that gleams under showroom lighting. Every angle, every reflection, has been meticulously engineered to create a perfect blend of performance and luxury. Interior and cockpit 13230. Step inside and the Mustang transforms. The interior is a cockpit built for drivers. The sporty flat-bottom steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and large infotainment screen immediately draw your attention. Premium leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and ambient LED lighting create a sense of luxury while keeping the focus firmly on the driving experience. Every detail, stitching, materials, and ergonomics is designed for comfort, performance, and sheer driving pleasure. Performance and driving experience 23330. Now, the Mustang is more than just looks. Under the hood, it delivers raw power and exhilarating performance. Every turn of the wheel, every push on the accelerator, feels precise and responsive. Whether you're cruising the city streets or hitting the open highway, the 2026 Mustang balances agility with muscle car intensity. It's a car that demands respect while giving you full control over the experience. Cinematic showroom and attention to detail 3430. And finally, the showroom presence. Parked under soft ambient lights, the yellow Mustang commands attention without saying a word. Every reflection, every highlight, and every shadow is perfectly captured to show off its premium build quality. This is a car that doesn't just sit. It performs visually and emotionally, inviting you to experience the thrill of driving even before you step on the gas. Outro/call to action 43500. So there you have it, the 2026 Ford Mustang, a perfect fusion of style, performance, and luxury. If you're as blown away as we are, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth car reviews and cinematic showcases. And remember, the Mustang isn't just a car, it's a statement. Which detail caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below.